Hello everyone. Now let's see the next type of adjective. This is interrogative adjective. The word which are used for asking the question and with the nouns that are called interrogative adjective. For example, what kind of man is he? So, what kind of man is he? We are asking the quality of that man by using this question, what kind of man is he? So, this is called interrogative adjective. When they are used with the noun for asking the question, that are called interrogative adjectives. Are there? Which book do you want? Whose pen is this? So these words are coming with the noun and these are asking the question. So that's why these are called interrogative adjective. Got it? Interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronoun. Now same way as we discuss the difference between demonstrative adjective and pronoun, distributive adjective and pronoun, same way there is interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns are there. So see the difference between that. When words like what, which, whose can be used as interrogative adjectives and coming with the nouns and as interrogative pronoun. So when it is coming with the noun, then these are called interrogative adjective, and when it is coming alone and used for the place of the noun, then these are called pronoun. Examples are given to you. Which book did you read last week? So which book, it comes with the noun and asking the question, and in next sentence it is coming alone, which is your favorite book. So for that book we used this which, for that noun we are using this which. So that's why this is called pronoun. Now our next kind is possessive adjective, which shows the possession. Possessive is showing the possession. So words which are used for showing the possession and telling the quality of the person, and then this is called adjective, possessive adjective. Adjective which help to show ownership or possession, as I told you. So they answer the question whose. ये आपको किस चीज़ का आंसर देता है? whose. Like my bike needs repair. Like whose books need repair, whose bike need repair? My bike. So this my bike showing the possession. This dog is losing its hair. Who is losing the hair? Its hair. What it is losing? Its hair. So when it is coming with the noun, possessive words, and telling the showing the possession, then these are called possessive adjective. That is your house. So what is the quality of that house? That is your house. This is her book. So these are showing the possession also and telling the quality of it. So that's why these are called possessive adjective. So here it is showing that my, its, your, her show the ownership or possession, and they qualifies the noun. Which noun they are qualifying? Bike, hair, house and book. So that's why these are called possessive adjective. So as there are interrogative adjective and interrogative pronouns, same way there are possessive adjective and possessive pronouns also there. In pronoun chapter we have discussed possessive pronoun. This shows the possession. So this is not my pen. When I am saying my pen, so this is called possessive adjective. When I am saying this pen is not mine, so this pen is not mine. Mine is used for this pen. It shows the possession of this pen. So it is used for this noun. So that's why this is called a possessive pronoun. In the first sentence, my is used as a possessive adjective as it qualifies a noun. In the second sentence, the word mine stands for my pen. So it is used as a pronoun. Got it? When it is used for the place of noun, then it is a pronoun. And when it is used to qualify the noun, then that are called adjective. Now possessive adjectives are there, that are my, our, your, his, her, its, their. And when we are used it as a possessive pronoun, then these are mine, ours, yours, his, hers and theirs. S will come with that. So this is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. So possessive adjective are always followed by a noun, but possessive pronouns are not. It is a difference in all the types. Got it? So that's all for the types of the adjective. Correct use of from adjective I will discuss in the next session. So thank you. Have a nice day.